Today I'm going to be reviewing HICC Pet's dog wound care gel, heals wounds, hot spots, everything like that. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I got my little friend here, Roomba, who wants to leave to help me show how this works. It's 3.4 ounces. Here is the actual bottle. Just take this off. You put it directly on bites, scratches, hot spots, skin ulcers, cat wounds, all of that. It's going to work. Once you put this on the dog's wound or the area that's affected, it's going to help in the healing process, making it much faster. 99.99% harmful, organism defense effectiveness, uses high purity HOCl. That's going to boost your dog's immune system. That's what it looks like right there. There are no harsh chemicals in this. Use it 3 to 4 times a day until healed. It's good for sensitive skin. It's non-stain, so it's not going to bother them. And this does come in a 1 bottle or a 2 bottle pack. The best part about this is an Amazon #1 seller, best in this category. It's got 4.5 stars, over 1,100 reviews, and unbelievably, of just the 1 pack, 9,000 plus of these were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.